If you're planning to buy smart glasses today, there's one key thing to understand. Not all smart glasses are built the same. Some are just simple camera glasses. Some are powered by AI. And others can project digital information directly into your field of view. So choosing the right one isn't just about price, it's about what you actually need. This video breaks down the best smart glasses you can buy right now, from $49 to over $1,000, and explains what each one offers, including the specs that actually matter. Starting at $49, these are basic camera glasses. They usually record at 720p to 1080p resolution, using a small camera positioned between the lenses. Storage is typically built in, often around 16 GB to 32 GB, with no cloud syncing or app integration. Battery life is limited, usually around 60 to 90 minutes of continuous recording. There's no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, and no AI features. So everything here is focused on one function: simple, hands-free video capture. For casual use, that's enough. But this is the most limited category in the lineup. At $69, the Getty AI glasses introduce basic smart features. These typically include Bluetooth connectivity, allowing them to pair with a smartphone for voice commands and simple interactions. Some versions support AI voice assistants, although performance depends heavily on the connected app. The built-in camera remains modest, usually around 1080p, and battery life stays in the 1 to 2 hour range with mixed usage. So while these add intelligence, they don't yet deliver a seamless experience. Still, this is an entry point into AI-powered wearables. At $99, the OHO camera sunglasses focus on improving recording quality. Many models in this range support 1080p video at 30 frames per second, offering smoother and clearer footage than cheaper alternatives. They also include polarized UV 400 lenses, making them usable as real sunglasses. Audio recording is often built in, and storage may expand up to 32 GB or more. Battery performance is slightly improved, often reaching 90 minutes to 2 hours of recording time. So instead of adding complexity, this option refines the core feature, video capture. At $115, the Amazon Echo frames take a different approach. These are audio-first smart glasses. They feature open-ear directional speakers, allowing users to hear music, calls, and notifications without blocking ambient sound. They connect via Bluetooth and are powered by Alexa, enabling voice commands for tasks like reminders, weather updates, and smart home control. Battery life can last up to 4 hours of continuous audio use, depending on volume and activity. There's no camera and no display. Instead, the focus is convenience and everyday usability. At $224, the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 1 delivers a more complete smart glasses experience. It features a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, capable of capturing both photos and short-form video. Audio comes through dual open-ear speakers, with improved clarity compared to lower-end models. It also includes a multi-microphone system, designed for clearer voice capture during calls and recordings. The glasses connect to a dedicated mobile app, allowing easy content sharing and control. Battery life typically supports several hours of moderate use, with a charging case extending total usage. And importantly, the design looks like standard Ray-Ban eyewear. So here, both performance and aesthetics come together. At $399, the Oakley Meta glasses are built for performance. They share similar internal technology with the Ray-Ban Meta line, including a high-quality camera and open-ear audio system. But the difference is in the build. These are designed with sport-grade materials, offering better durability and resistance to sweat and impact. They also feature enhanced lens technology, optimized for outdoor visibility. Battery performance is similar, but stability during movement is improved. So this is the better choice for active users. At $499, the Halliday AI glasses shift focus toward artificial intelligence. These glasses typically include advanced voice processing, improved microphones, and deeper integration with AI assistants. They rely heavily on cloud-based processing, meaning many features depend on an active smartphone connection. Battery life varies depending on AI usage, but generally falls within 3 to 5 hours of mixed activity. There may not be a full display yet, but the intelligence behind the system is significantly improved. So instead of just capturing or playing audio, these glasses are designed to assist. At $599, the Rokid AI glasses introduce early augmented reality features. They include a micro-display system, capable of projecting digital content into the user's field of view. Resolution and field of view vary by model, but the experience often feels like a small virtual screen floating ahead. They also support voice interaction, navigation prompts, and media playback. Internally, they are powered by dedicated processing hardware, allowing smoother performance than entry-level AI glasses. This is where smart glasses begin transitioning into AR devices. At $799, the Ray-Ban Meta display adds a true heads-up display. This allows users to see notifications, directions, and real-time information directly in their vision. The display is integrated into the lens, designed to remain visible without fully blocking the real world. Combined with camera, audio, and AI features, this creates a more immersive experience. However, this also increases power demand. Battery life becomes more limited with display usage, and the hardware is slightly more complex. Still, this represents a major step forward. At $1,099, the Ranio X3 Pro delivers a full AR experience. It features a micro-LED display with up to 6,000 nits of brightness, making it usable even in bright outdoor environments. The glasses are powered by a Snapdragon AR-focused processor, combined with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, enabling real-time processing and smooth performance. They include a high-resolution camera, multiple sensors, and advanced tracking capabilities. This allows for features like real-time navigation overlays, live translation, floating virtual screens. The experience feels closer to using a wearable computer than traditional glasses, but with that power comes limitations, especially battery size and cost. So what should you choose? If you just want simple recording, go with basic camera glasses. If you want convenience, audio-focused options make more sense. If you're interested in AI, mid-range glasses offer the best balance. And if you want the most advanced experience available today, AR glasses are the future. Smart glasses are evolving quickly, and right now, there's an option for almost every need and every budget.